Hi Bells, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. So today I don't have a very big haul for you, just a couple of little things that I had picked up that I wanted to show y'all. They're from a couple of different stores. The first thing that I kind of wanted to show y'all, and it's all just like random things. It's nothing that really goes together, but I just wanted to kind of show y'all these. So I was in Kroger grocery shopping, and they had these little napkins on sale. Y'all know that I have like a little Keurig and a little, kind of a little makeshift bar in my room. Sorry, my window's open, y'all. Hopefully you can hear me okay. But I got these little 2-pack of napkins. They're pink and they just say rosé all day. If you can see those, and they just have it in little gold foil. And I also got these. I was in Sally's needing to get some stuff for my hair, and I found these super cute brushes. They're pink and they just got little cupcake sprinkles inside. They're so cute. All I saw were these 2 brushes. I don't know if they have like a full set or not, but at the Sally's that I went to, they just had these 2, the paddle brush and then the medium-sized round brush. So I'll try to look up and see if they have other like combs and other size brushes, and then I'll link them below if I can find them. So we got those, and then I think, oh, these napkins, I always forget to tell y'all how much they cost. These napkins I think were on sale for like 99 cents. They were like a closeout deal. And then these 2 brushes, I want to say they were about $6.99 a piece. So they're a little bit pricey, but I paid it because they're pink and they have sprinkles inside. So anyway, those are how much those cost. I also got, which I got this before from Hobby Lobby, but I lost it. So I had to go and get another one. And it's just this super cute little koozie. And it says cheers y'all on it in gold glitter. So I had to get one of these. I had to get this replaced. So I got that. And this one, I think this was like $5.99 for this koozie. And the other thing I told y'all before, if you watched my other videos, I think it was on my IGTV before like I really officially started YouTube. I had these super cute little pink glitter ballet flats that I told y'all I got from Target out of the kids section. Well, I found some more kids section shoes. These are from the same brand of Target it's called Cat and Jack, and these are kids shoes. So these are a size 6, and there's just these super cute little rain boots. I am a women's size 7.5, so if y'all wear 7.5, you should be able to fit a 6, and my feet are wide, so, and they fit fine. So they have different sizes, but these are like, I believe these were $24 or $25.99 at Target. So these are just some super cute rain boots. I've been wanting some for so long, and I saw these and I'm like, oh, these are so adorable. So I'm going to try to see, I don't know how I would do it, but I'm going to try to call Southern Sisters or either take them to Southern Sisters. Y'all know I get like all my monogramming done from there unless I go to Swoozies if I'm up that way, but I don't have a Swoozies near me. But mainly I get all my monograms from Southern Sisters. So I'm going to try to see if they can monogram these. I don't know if they can do it on the front because they're so curved, but maybe like on the side or something like that. I'll figure it out. But anyway, I got those. And then the last thing that I got, this is from Marshall's. I was like one of the first ones when they opened up. I think they've been open for here, I want to say like 2 weeks now. And I've been needing a super nice robe. I think y'all saw this if you follow me on Instagram. Or like to know it. I styled this. Well, I didn't really style it. It was just my robe. But anyway, this is a super comfy robe. And I forgot to take the tag off of it. But it was on sale. It's $16.99 originally. And I paid $13 for it. If y'all can see that, hopefully. And this is just from the brand Dream Lounge Love Repeat. So, but it's just this super, super soft robe. It's so soft, y'all. It's very big. I like my loungewear a little bit on the bigger side, unless I'm getting like, you know, some lingerie or something like that. That would be, you know, fitted like my normal size, but it just like PJs and lounge clothes, I like for mine to be a little bit looser. So this one I got in a little bit of a bigger size, and it's just kind of just like an oversized robe. It's got a hood on it, and it's just so cozy. It's so cozy and soft. So anyway, that's all that I have for you. Nothing too crazy. So I hope everyone is doing well, and thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be doing another video that I'm probably gonna work on today, because I went to the Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale. Like, ours just opened like last week, so I went to that and got a couple of things. So I'm gonna be working on that video because I need to do that haul. So I'll be doing that, so stay tuned for that. And then of course everything that I have, I'll link it down below, so you can like, comment, and subscribe. And then you can also follow me on Like to Know It, where I know I have a couple of other clothing shipments that are supposed to be coming in, so I'll go and be styling all of that too, so you can see those looks there too. But anyway, that is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.